Hi, I'm Jen Long, Creative Director at Sizzix, and I'm here to give you a sneak peek of our envelope, stamp, and die collection that'll be featured on HSN on May 2nd. The stamp and die envelope collection allows you to embellish and decorate your envelopes. So let's take a look at what's included. First up, we have our Framelits envelope liner set. This allows you to create envelope inserts for your A2 envelopes and your A7 envelopes. There's drop-in dies included, so you can interchange the phrases of let's celebrate and hello friend. And there's also these cascading sequin-like shapes that are included, so you can interchange between dots or hearts. So it gives you a lot of different options for your A2 envelopes and your A7 envelopes. Next up, we have this beautiful hand-drawn stamp set. This is intended to stamp on top of your envelope. So you're able to create a decorative frame shape with the word hello in it. You can create a decorative just a note frame shape, or you can leave those words out and create a blank shape to insert your own writing. You can also decorate the nose of the envelope. Next up, we have a Thinlit set that decorates the nose of the envelope with these intricate die cut shapes. So these are designed to work perfectly with the angle of the envelope and give you a little bit of paper decor on that nose. And last up, we have our stamp and our Framelit wax seal set. So this is your stamp area down here, and these are your Framelits. These Framelits cut out right around those stamp shapes, so you're able to mimic a wax seal using a stamp and a Framelit. You're also able to mimic just a beautiful little closure. So it's a great way to show how your envelope can come all the way together. So this has been a look at our envelope, die, and stamp collection. This will be featured on HSN on May 2nd. We hope to see you there.